Robert Earl, Keller Williams Realty, yourcbl.com. Today's question comes from Coppell, Texas, and the question is, what is the process to become a successful real estate agent? I always like to answer this question in two parts. The first portion is to take action, satisfy your state requirements to take a real estate course and pass the exam. Get that out of the way. Then to truly become a successful real estate agent, I like to talk about the parable of the sower. There were seeds that were thrown out, and some, as soon as the sun came out, they were dried up, and there were some that landed in fertile soil. To me, the successful real estate agents that are in the fertile soil are in a training environment that is based upon and focused upon their productivity, not the success per se of the real estate company, not of the brokerage itself, but a win-win situation that is focused on a win for the agent and focused upon their productivity. That's where Keller Williams comes in, is really being a technology and training company that happens to be in real estate that will give you a roadmap to success and has reinforcement and training to help you every single step of the way, with a culture and an environment where other associates actually want to assist you, and that you're not remote or floating around in some cloud, but you actually have a place that you can plug into. So that's my take. That's why I created this site, is I think that we have a recipe for you to be successful and that you can follow those steps. So the first portion of it, how to become an agent, yourcbl.com. We've got a link right on the home page and right at the top, no matter which page you land on. You can also get more information on our Facebook page, Your CBL. Look for that information. We also have ongoing appointments that you can schedule for consultations, for group sessions that we have that will give you more information, answer more of your specific questions. So that's the process to become a successful real estate agent. I've seen it happen for a number of folks, myself included. And until next time, keep the questions coming. Make it a great day.